Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech and Tech channel. In this video, I show how to prevent someone from sharing our story on social media in message. Okay, so stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Step 1. Open an Instagram account and click your profile account. Click setting an activity. After click setting an activity, click sharing and remixes. Okay, click share and remixing. You can turn off this option now. Okay, I turn off allow story sharing in message. When this is on, people can sharing your story in a message to someone less on Instagram. You can do this according to your personal opinion. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel Tech and Tech.